Alright, well guys, welcome back to another video. And today the garbage truck has came again, and it's a Scorpion now. I don't know what truck it could be. Imagine it was 2141. Oh, it's a 26 CJ, yeah. Oh, it's 2050. I haven't seen this truck in a while. I'm just gonna loop it back. Alright, well guys, I'll see you guys when 2250 comes by here, so, or not 2250, I meant 2050 because, I don't know, I just keep on getting that truck stuck in my head because every time it comes here to recycle time, so. Alright, well guys, I'll see you guys when 2050 comes by here, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye guys, see you in the meantime. Alright guys, I think the garbage truck is coming. Well, instead of that, there's a truck right here coming. I'm sure it could be coming any second now. Here it is. It's 2050. I haven't seen this truck in a while. It used to do recycling when the first time I saw it, but now it's being on trash. And that truck is... Oh, it's taking a while. I used to do recycling, but now it's doing trash. I don't know how many times I saw this truck doing trash. With me, wow, I saw all the other trucks do trash around here at this time. And here it comes. It kind of looks like it's the same driver. Sometimes I don't know. Alright. Let's see that boy rumble. Oh, it's probably too close to the other bin, so they're probably gonna have to move it. You can see from the video. Final rumble of the day. Right. We did a rumble. The truck is doing fine, you know. Oh yeah, he waved from over there. That's crazy. All right. Well, anyways, guys, I'll see you guys when the recycle truck comes. It could probably be late again, or it could probably arrive at night. So yeah. Well, I'll see you guys when the recycle truck comes here. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye, guys. See you in the meantime. All right, well, guys, the garbage truck is not coming. So fast. Oh, looks like another 2016 truck. What? It could be 2107. That's a stitch unit. Oh, it's 2016. That's the first time me seeing this truck collecting recycling. New truck discovered. Dude, I never seen 2016 collecting. And that's my time. I thought it was 2107. And now it's 2016. Which is a 2016 truck. Coming up for you guys. Alright, well guys, I'll see you guys when 2016 comes by here, so it'll probably take a couple of minutes. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye guys, see you in the meantime. Alright guys, here it is. Oh, the C word on the right's missing. I had no idea why. Is it a rumble? My hand is like shaking. I don't know why. What? Stop! My hand. Okay, I gotta film on my right hand. But every time I wait to the driver, I have to always film on my left hand, which is could be tricky. I guess. I guess. I don't know why this seam board's missing on the truck. You used to do trash, probably. And I was doing it's like 2 different trucks, 2 different rules. 2050 was in the morning, did trash, and then now 2016 is doing recycle. 2016 used to do trash, now and 2050 used to do recycle, and now they changed. Yeah. Yeah, let's go! Yeah! Get up on the rumble again! With a bin up on the sidewalk. See you guys probably in the next week. Well, the next week will probably be the last time I film two garbage trucks because I'm gonna go back to school on August 7th. So probably you guys stay tuned for more videos. Now I'm gonna film 1 truck only because I can apparently see 1 truck because I go to school like at 8. So I had time for 1 garbage truck only in this video. So anyway guys, I'll see you guys in the next week. Bye guys. God loves you. Have a good day.